Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2861.250, and chances of going further upside will be there if the price keeps sustaining this particular level. If the price started falling below this particular level of around $28.35, there is a chance that we can see a further fall. Overall trend, we have seen there is a upside movement, okay, and then a further high will be there if the price keep moving above level of $28.80. Okay, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And I have Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if it started sustaining above level of $28.80, which is close to its all-time high, so chances are high it can move towards a level of further high towards $28.88, and then a further upside movement we can see. So chances of going further upside will be there. So these are the two levels. If sustained, a further high we can see. But if it started falling below 28.35, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 28.52. See, after 28.52 we can see level 28.35, and then a further fall we can see. So there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall will be there. Okay, so the mail ID is also given in the description, and 2787 is a strong support, so a bounce back we can see from that particular level. But if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. There is a U pattern is forming, so probably a further upside will be there because we have seen a green candle is also forming, so chances of going further upside will be there. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index also, I'll explain you in the dollar index also how the price is moving. If you look at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that the dollar index trading at a level of $108.096, and if that sustain, we can see a level of 108.5 to a level of around $109. Okay, this 108.5 is strong resistance, so if it sustain that level, we can see a level of 109 to a level of 109.5, and then from there a further upside movement towards 110 we can see. So when I say, see this is the U pattern form with the price sustain this level. When I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price or silver or crude price comes up. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, if the price fall below 108.5 $108, we can see a level of 107.5 to a level of $106. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 105.8 also, after crossing a level of 107 to a level of 106.3, and then a further fall. I have already explained you what if the price sustained that level and didn't sustain, what would happen. But if we look at the gold again, if you suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards 28.70 to a level of $28.82, and once started going off this level, probability of going towards 28.83 will be there. Okay, and once the price sustain with 28.83, probability of going towards 28.88 will be there, and then a further upside we can see towards 28.90 to a level of 2900. Okay, and then to a level of 29.20 also. Best you can do is you can trail your SL by $5 or $7, you can capture towards an upside, and chances can be high we can see there will be a further upside movement. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, you have to look at both the sides. So if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 28.51 to a level of $28.46, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $28.34. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of 28.34, chances of going towards a level of 28.32 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $28.16, and from there a further fall we can see towards 2800. Suppose if the price started falling below 2800, chance of going towards 27.99 will be there, and once the price fall below that level, we can see a level of $27.85, then to a level of $27.72, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $27.71 to a level of $27.69 also, and once started falling below that level, we can see a level of $27.65, and from there a further fall we can see towards $27.68 $58 to a level of further fall. Okay, remember that if you are trailing your SL, that is very important for the downside also, because see, whenever gold is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. So if you trail your SL, we can see a further good profit you can make.